Hey everyone, welcome back to the another video. So this is a part 12 video and it's a bit late just because of my laptop issue. So we'll continue the part 12. So let's start. So what is the DNC list? So DNC means do not contact list, and I have also added the snippet for the quick answer. They have given 4 options. Among the 4 we have to go and find the correct and suitable answer. So here if you see the note, DNC means do not contact list entries, or DNC list is a data source of telephone numbers, email address, or custom value exclude from the is very important. Exclude. So it means there is no entry from camp page. So if you go and see here, DNC list is another name of contact list. No, this is not suitable. List is a table containing high priority number that should be dialed using. You won't know. This is also not why. We have to say something like this. So obviously, it's a list of data source of telephone number, email address, custom value, but exclude from the camp page. So this is the correct one. D is the suitable. But if you see here, the list DNC list is a table containing phone number that camp page should never dial. So this is the correct one. D is the correct one. Is also not suitable. If you go and see read information, you will understand. Okay, let's continue. Number 57. You can rename the home division and move objects into and out of it, but you cannot delete it. So option A is a true and option B is a false. So this is a true false based question. So they are asking for the home division. You can rename home division and move object into and out of it. So this is answer is true. Why? If you see this note, you can configuration object can only belongs to the one division. By default, all objects belong to the home division. You can rename a home division and you can move object out of it. However, you cannot delete it. So this is a true. So this is a true condition. So we'll choose a true answer. Okay. Question number 58. Which component are bound together to add scheduled callback option to your script? Option A, date time input and button. Option B, text and button. Option C, contact list from and button. Option D, date slash time and input. So here I have easy way to identify. If you see, contacts are commonly request return call when they are less busy. This is how add scheduled callback option. Option 2, script using date time and button component together. But see here, this is something different. Obviously B and C is not match. It is not suitable for the based on the question. We have to understand this one bound together to add a scheduled callback for what your script. So if you see for editing the script, first you have to click the date and time. So date and time you can see here, but you have to bound together component which is button. So this is the correct one, not this one. It's quite identical, but still this is a less possibility. This is the accurate one. First A option is the correct one. Okay, let's go next. Question number 59. Where can overlay be configured? I'll repeat a question. Where can overlays can be configured or overlay be configured? So let me go through the options. Option A, Genesys administration. Option B, WFM configuration utilities. Option C, WFM web for supervisors. Option D, WFM web for agents. So we have to configure overlay. So this is the overlay we have to configure. And what is the option is where we can configure. So this is the, we can say portal or interface, and from the among the 4 we have to select one. So you can see this note, you can create and configure overlays in a forecast module of WFM web for supervisor. So this is the one. C. In one line we have answer, so we will select the C option and eliminate the others. So only C is the correct one. So let's continue next. Okay, question number 60. Which feature required at least one SSO integration to be configured before allowing user to log in into Genesys Cloud? So they have given a 4 option. This is very, see, obviously whenever you are going to the login, what kind of integration you can perform? At least single SSO integration can be configured before allowing user to. So how it will be happen? So option A says disable location detection. They say location disable will not going to help us. Password expiration. Then option C, disable Genesys Cloud login. See, oh, this is the right one. Option admission, this is also not one. Why? So see, feature, they are asking for a feature requirement at least one SSO integration to be configured. allowing user to log in Genesys Cloud. So you can see Genesys Cloud admin can be configured SSO. Authentication. See, password expiry and SSO is two different entities. It's not a common one. So that is the reason password expiry will not help us. Disable location is also not help us. Only disabling is Genesys Cloud login, which is this one. Yes, this will help, and we will choose this one option. Okay, let me correct. Let's continue. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, any questions, please comment on it. And if you think this video is help you to, so please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. We'll meet in next video. Thank you.